Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am back with another unboxing with BoxyCharm, which is no longer BoxyCharm, it's called Ipsy because they teamed up. I have to say that your girl isn't so impressed with the April box. I definitely hate it and you will see why in just a sec. Before I go ahead and dive into my unboxing for April, if you guys are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys would like to dive into the products and show you guys what I received, please keep on watching. Okay, so if you guys see the same makeup, same top, it's just because I just filmed a huge Sephora haul. If you guys want to check it out, check out my channel, or you can also stay till the end of this video. I will have it pop out so you can go ahead and click on it, and then it will take you right away to the haul video. Today's video is going to be a unboxing BoxyCharm slash Ipsy. I think I should call it Ipsy, no longer BoxyCharm box to show you guys what I got. I'm going to disclaim something. This is my last box with BoxyCharm slash Ipsy, just because this box kind of like turned me off and I didn't really like it, so I decided to unsubscribe. So this is my last video, so unfortunately there's no more BoxyCharm unboxing, monthly unboxing with you guys, unfortunately. Eventually, if I want to go back, then I'll just resubscribe, but at the moment I kind of canceled my subscription with them, and you will see why. Also, the system, website system, their whole change, it is so complicated and I just didn't understand anything to what is going on and where to click and where to go. And even just to cancel my subscription, it was just so hard to find, and I just ended up live chatting with their automatic system and I said cancel me. That was also a hassle. It was like a long process to do, so I ended up canceling at the end. I was like, no, I don't want to deal with this. I have a lot of stress on my mind and this is the last thing that I need. So this is the box. I did open it because I was like, what the hell is this? First of all, this came like this. Nothing is sturdy in here and it wasn't well packaged like the other BoxyCharms with a lot of paper, and your products are nice and secure in there. This is like this. I'm gonna show you guys what they secured the products with, which literally just turned me off, and it's the reason why I unsubscribed. So when you open it up, this is the box. It says Ipsy on it. There's no longer BoxyCharm and the box is pink. When you open it up, this is what it is. Literally, like this is what it is. And also you kind of get like a newspaper thing. It's good to have to discover new faces, discover new products. So talking about how secure this is, that's what they have. Confetti, some sort of paper going on, like just to kind of make the box look good. It is a premium box and it's about $68. I would have appreciated the presentation of the box to be better than this. I still got 6 full-size products, I think. I'm gonna dive in and show you guys what I got. So first of all, I got this one here. It's called MUDMASKY, and this is the moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. And this one here it is a vitamin infused eye serum. I'm excited to use this. You know, I don't hate skincare. Everybody likes skincare, but yeah, I'm probably also going to keep this for my clients, to be honest. There's a chance that I will be doing that. I've never heard about this company. I'll try to find the pricings of these because my last BoxyCharm was very helpful. They had that little paper with all the description and all the prices. Obviously, like I said, I feel like they went really cheap. Next, I think this could be like a small travel size to me. I don't know, but this is the Dr. BRANDT mineral mask. and this helps unclog pores, reduce shine, and exfoliate. I always like a mask, and this says great for all skin types. So this is a face mask. So the fact that it says helps unclog pores, reduces shine, and exfoliate, I like that. Reduces shine for me as a person with dry skin. I'm not sure how my skin is going to react to this. Hopefully it's not going to dry out my skin, but anything that unclog pores and all of that, it is a little bit more drier on dry skin, so just keep that in mind. Next product, I got a lip mask. I ended up, for some reason, yeah, this is one thing I forgot to mention, that with the integration of Ipsy and BoxyCharm, if ever you do subscribe, it's no longer a surprise, meaning you can go in and choose what you want. But again, like, they give you a list. There isn't much on the list, and I think they end up choosing one product for you, but you kind of know what is coming into your box, which I like and I don't like, because I do like the surprise, you know, a little surprise, like when you open your box, oh, I got this, like, wow, I was waiting for this for like the longest time, you know, like stuff like that. But knowing that you are getting some things is also good, because you know what you're getting. But I'm somebody who that likes to be surprised, and I kind of really like that about BoxyCharm. But these are things I kind of like picked up, and I kind of knew what was coming in the box, but I didn't expect the presentation of the box to be like this. Next, I got, this is the CIATE London SMILEY. I think it's a collection that they came up with. It's called SMILEY, and this is a lip mask, 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask. Honestly, to be honest with you guys, my favorite lip mask is the La Neige. I feel like it's amazing. I love this lip mask. I use it literally day and night and every day. I love it. So I got a mask from SMILEY, which is so cute, the packaging. And I do like CIATE London a lot. This is the lip mask. There's no smell to it, which I would have, like, you know, when you see the packaging, you kind of feel like, oh, it's gonna be like some sort of lemony or vanilla-y, but it has no smell at all, which I don't mind it. I mean, not a lot of people like scented lip product. Next, I got, this is the Beauty for Certain. To be honest, I never heard about this brand before, and it says this is a primer, face primer, but it does not say if it's for dry skin or oily skin. Smooth a small amount over clean dry skin before applying makeup, which is, isn't that how primers normally are applied? Next, this is a mascara, and it's from Milk. To be honest, I've never tried Milk's mascara before. The only Milk product that I use is their Hydro Grip primer and their Hydro Grip setting spray, which I love. But this is the mascara. Ooh, packaging is really cool. It's kind of like silicone-y. It has like a really nice grip to it. I don't know if you guys could see, but it has like a silicone kind of feel to it. This is called Rise Mascara. Lift plus length plus volume. It is kind of like a brush applicator, because some of them comes like a plastic applicator, but from looking at the wand right here, it's more like a bristle kind of applicator, which I like. Last but not least in here, I think this is an exciting product, to be honest, but I was really surprised that it came like that. I don't know if this normally has a box or anything. I mean, the packaging came like all scratched up and all of that, but whatever. This is the JLo Beauty That Fresh Take, and this is the eye cream. I don't know why they sent me two eye products. I've seen JLo Beauty in Sephora, and I've been wanting to try like the body glow cream that she has and everything, because it looks so interesting. But I'm really happy to try the eye cream to see what does it do. You know, it's really fun. I'm really happy that this is in my box, to be honest. So this is the packaging. It looks really nice. Very very expensive looking, and quite, it's not heavy, but you definitely feel the quality. So when you open it up, the color in here looks really nice. It's like a tan kind of color. I can definitely tell that the cream, it is a little bit thicker. You would know that it is going to moisturize and hydrate. So I'm quite excited to use this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really happy that this is in my box. Again, that is all that I got in this box, and I find these are really unnecessary in there. Plus this, like, save the planet. You know, I always recycle, so I always save the planet. I'm kind of like in between of satisfied and not satisfied, but we'll see. Like I said, this is my last subscription to the box, and if ever I do feel like I want to go back, then I'll go back and you will see a surprise video with another unboxing. And again, it's like April, it's like Easter, and a lot of pastels and all of that, so I was kind of expecting like a nice pastel eyeshadow palette in here with like a little bit of like a gloss moment. I don't know, I think I just went too overboard with like the products that I was expecting, and that's why I was disappointed in this one. Overall, this is the end of this haul slash unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did receive your April box. What did you receive, and do you like your product? And if you recommend if I resubscribe, let me know your thoughts. I really want to know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.